Hey, Randy here with Leisure Travel Van, and we want to show you our beautiful 2026 Unity twin bed here today. It's built on the 3500 Mercedes-Benz chassis, and we're going to show you around inside. Part of the outside exterior has got some storage on the back. It's a pass-through storage. If you want to come around and take a look here. Storage passes all the way through. Can't really see on the other side, but it does open up on the back there as well. So got some great storage on the exterior on the twin bed. Of course, we've got lots of storage on the inside as well. So why don't we go inside and we'll take a look at the 2026 twin bed. One of the big selling features for 2026, we actually changed the door. We should take a look at that. We've now got a new entry door, which we're very excited about. Dual latch, so it's a nice solid door. You can see how that solid there. We've got your shade that folds up, and we've got our door shade, which comes out over here. A little bit of storage inside the door, so we're very excited for that that new entry door for 26. Inside the cab here, you can see we've got all curved cabinetry, very nice. We've got our European hidden hinges, and all the cabinets are a soft close as well. Click it in, very solid, very nice. We've got our optional white uppers on these. We of course do offer cabinets in the same color as the rest of the cabinetry as well. 2 color cabinet options as far as color are concerned, and we've got 2 ultra fabric options for colors as well, and a couple different Corian options on the countertops. Up front, we've got a couple jump seats here with extra seat belts, so it does seat 4. It also sleeps up to 4. This one turns into a single bed up here, or if you want, you can fill this in with the optional air mattress option, and then it's sleeping 4, and we've got seat belts for 4 with the driver and passenger seat as well. We've got everything controlled here on the Firefly. We've got a new interface for 2026. That can also be downloaded onto an app. Everything can be controlled right on your phone. We've got our controls for the EQ system up here for the equalizers. New for 2026, we've also gone to an induction cooktop. We've got a dual burner induction cooktop, which is standard now on all 2026 models. So we're fairly excited about that. The demand is there. For electrical systems, we do have a standard 270 amp hour lithium battery, upgradable to double that to 540 amp hours. 3000 watt inverter is standard, and we also have 440 watts of solar available on the roof. So we've got lots of options there that can keep you going for a long time. Convection microwave, and of course we've got a 12 volt compressor, Norcold fridge. Those chocolates are mine. No, I'm just kidding, I'll share those if you want. With a separate freezer drawer. Standard on all of our units as well, of course, is our pull-out pantry. This is always a super popular feature. Strong, big shelving. And of course, standard on all of our units is a dry bath. On this one, we've got a split model. We've got our toilet and our sink over here. And then on the other side of the hallway, we've got our shower, which gives you lots of room. I'm 6'2", and you can see I've got probably 2-3 inches above me for headroom. So we got lots of room in here. And this door also uses, we can use it as doubling up to separate living spaces. So you can see it clicks in here, and then we've got 2 separate living areas. So if your wife wakes up earlier than you, good spot to go drink coffee. And then of course we've got our twin beds back here. Now on the Unity twin bed, you can extend this to fold down, and you can fill it in with some more cushions, and you can make this a king size sleeping area as well. So you've got your option if you want separate sleeping areas or one giant king size area. Lots of storage all over the place. Again, everything nice hidden hinges, soft close, very nice. Then we've got the roof panels up here with our LED light strips. These are adjustable or dimmable, so you don't need to have it super bright, don't need to have it dark, so that's very nice. And of course, we've got our ducted air conditioning all the way throughout the coach with our Truma Aventa Eco Air Conditioner. Incredible job. And for 2026, we also have a heat pump in our air conditioner as well. So Nice new addition. We've got a skylight over here. This can be opened up. You can adjust it to a couple different areas all the way. And of course, we've got our sunshade or just the bug shade. So we've got a couple options there, whichever way you want to do that. All right, so we've got our galley drawers here. They're all soft close drawers. Very nice. We've got some deep drawers here. Lots of storage, of course, is very important. Got our nice curved galley doors. Very nice looking. Big open area for storage. Can get to the water filter easily. All of our valves. Very easy access. Very easy to get to. Simple to use. We've got a big galley sink. Stainless steel sink. Nice and deep. Solid Corian countertop. Of course, we've got our chrome features, and we've got our accessory rack with a towel, the paper towel holder, and of course the accessory rack. You can add different hooks to make it very versatile. We've got a little garbage bin in the corner there, again covered up with our Corian. One TV in the front for this living area with a sound bar, and then we have a second TV in the back as well for the living area. So we've got the TV built in over here, and of course the one up front. So if you want to, again, have two separate living areas, we're good to go. The Unity does come standard with day and night shades, standard equipment on the Unity, so helps you whatever time of day. Got your different accessory panels throughout the coach, just kind of able to control lighting, couple different areas. Eliminates having to get out of the bed to do all those different adjustments. So a little bit of storage in there. We've got a hanging closet over here, so we can use that as and of course we've got a little bit more storage here with another hanging closet over this side.
We know that leisure has a long wait time for any order.
Yep.
What is the situation on that now? Are you able to provide faster deliveries, or is it still like 18 months?
No, we've caught up. We're still we do have an order bank, which is great, but we're now down to, I would say typically you're about 6 to 8 months on a delivery time for a new order. So we've caught up. Transit chassis and Mercedes chassis have both been flowing good. So we're caught up. We're doing good.
And this is like great because a lot of viewers have been asking for twin bed. So this is great, but I've seen also the FX.
Yes, yeah.
You want to talk about that?
Sure, let's go talk about the FX. Yeah, okay. That's a great floor plan as well. Gives you a little more floor space with the slide. So that one we've got right over here. So this is the FX. Table, yeah, we just didn't have it set up. We do have one for the TB as well, but this is the optional table, so it's nice to have. Got a little bit of storage in here. That's where you would hide your table away on the ground or inside there if you're not using your exterior table. Of course, we have a quick connect for a propane, like for a barbecue. We've got a quick connect underneath here. You can see right over here. And that's standard on all of our units as well. Easy to hook up that barbecue. Oh, just turn it to the left and then open it up. Yep, there we go. Just pull it open. Generator and a little bit more storage. Over here for the 2026 model year, we also have all of our batteries and inverter on the side. We got our 3,000 watt inverter. This one's equipped with the dual lithium battery, so we got 540 amp hours of power. And of course, it's all mated to a single disconnect switch, which kills everything. So it's a great way to store your coach, very easy. Now, because we moved our batteries, that allows us to have a big area here for shoe storage. So that's nice and open. Of course, we got our new entry door, right? 2026. Very happy about that. So if you come on in, here you can see on the FX, we've got a Murphy bed setup, which turns into your lounge, your dinette. These are power recliners. It can turn into a day bed if you want. Plop that down. You can now sit across. And then for the dinette, that just changes over. Pop that up. And now you've got your dinette. Very easy to turn that around. And of course the bed folds down We got a big 65 by 74 sleeping area for the main sleeping area. Oop. Throwing cushions around. We've got wireless charging ports on both sides. Here you can see, of course, our twin dual burner convection oven again. One of the changes, or with the FX, you do get the rear lounge setup as well. This does not convert into a bed. It is a lounge area, so it's a second living area. But what you do have is a really cool ottoman setup. So this can be used for a couple different things. You can use it as a coffee table, the way it's set up here, or you can pop that up. Now you've got a mobile work desk. Or if you want, you can take this cushion out, put it on top, pop that down again, and then you've got a footrest. So it's a nice versatile piece that really allows for a lot of different uses for this back area. So one of the coolest parts about the FX, here you can see the bathroom door. Right now, the way the floor space is, it's very open. But if you open the bathroom door, you can tell if this door closes like that, it's kind of tight in there, right? So the FX door is designed, this door extends, and then when you close it, now you can see it squares it off, so you've got a lot more floor space in the bathroom. You've used up a little bit of the floor space here, but again, once you're done using the bathroom, close that off. Again, nice tall shower. Close that extension off, close the door again, and now you've got your big floor space back.
And I see that actually not so tall individual can sleep here, so it actually can sleep up to 3.
There's only 2 seat belts in, so we don't advertise it that way, but yes, you could technically sleep back there if you're of the right height. Yep, we do. We've got our storage closet with the wardrobe, and of course a few more storage drawers there. Try to utilize every square inch of space.
Another space.
Yep, and here's our pantry. Big pull-out pantry here.
These drawers up.
That is actually new for this year because of the induction cooktop. It allows us to give a bit of a galley extension. So now you can use this for prep. Of course, if you don't need it, just tucks away nicely. And then we've got drawers over there. Nice big drawer there. And a nice deep drawer there as well. Again, the curved galley doors allows you easy access to your valves. Same deep sink, stainless steel, of course. Got our Corian countertop, curved cabinets
With shelves, that's very
shelves,
nice.
very nice. Yep.
This one doesn't, but that one has.
Yep.
It's very nice.
And then, of course, you've got your EQ and your hot water tank heater as well.
Slide out.
Slide in and out, and your battery heater.
And have a TV.
TV there, that does pop out, and it comes out, swivels, and we've got another hanging closet here.
Very nice. This is very large.
Yep.
Really, really nice.
Yep, very nice storage. That's where all your entertainment stuff plugs in.
Lots of outlets.
Yep. All of our plugs are inverted throughout the entire coach, so that's very nice to have.
Beautiful.
Nice. Yep, that pop. That's where we keep the safe, or just added storage if you don't opt for.
Is the safe standard or
No,
it's
that's an option. Yeah. Yeah, correct.
And obviously, Mercedes chassis, all the
Right.
bells and whistles.
One big, yep, all the bells and whistles, but we do have a flat transition on ours. There's no drop down between the house and the chassis, so that's a very nice feature.
And I assumed both of the chairs swivel, and
Correct.
therefore you have a mount.
Yep.
And then you can actually have another table and have 4 people hang out.
Exactly. So here we can, even when the bed is up, this window is fully accessible all the time. So it gives nice natural lighting, plus the cross ventilation is very nice to have too, right? So to put the bed down, all we need to do is remove these 2 cushions. Getting there. Travel locks, one on either side. That folds down. So this becomes your support leg, okay? So that folds down now. Pop that off, and away we go. That's it. One of the nice features about this bed here, you've got the adjustable backrest. So now if you're doing any reading, watching TV, we've got the LED reading lights as well, up in the corners. And then get that out of the way, and you got a nice big bed.
Wow. It's phenomenal.
Yep.
And you're 6'2".
I'm 6'2".
And you still have space there. I mean, you're very comfortable.
Yep. Oh yeah.
And it's a wide, I mean, this is a queen?
Yep. It's 65 by 74, so it's a little wider than a queen, not quite as long.
Wow.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and to put that up. Now the nice thing is too,
30 seconds.
yeah. The nice thing is you can keep your sheets on, okay? And then when you fold this up, you actually have a spot in behind to leave your pillows as well.
Yeah, because there's all that depth.
There's a depth there, yeah.
Wow.
So this pops up. All you do is lift the support. And there you go.
And then you just lock this into place.
Yeah, I think we'll leave it because we're going to show it again.
And folks, that's how fast, like literally not even 30 seconds. And you have a dinette.
And you've got a little lounge area, right? You got your power recliners here. And this, look how far back these go too. You might want to.
day bed.
Well, yeah, still going. There we go.
Gorgeous.
So, very versatile part of our coach right here. Lots of different features going on there.
Do you have a price for the FX?
You know what? We don't have our MSRP price sheets printed off, so
Approximately.
you're going to be I'm going to say 230, 240, somewhere in there. Yeah. Yeah, and then options, depending how you want to do options.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But this is really, really cool. Like this rear lounge is phenomenal.
Yeah, yeah, that ottoman is a really cool idea. And of course, we've got our fully ducted air conditioning, right? Light panels.
Yeah. Oh, there's another TV back here.
There's separate living area back here. So you do have a second TV back here as well. So
Beautiful.
yeah, it does give you two truly separate living areas, which is nice to have.
And this is really
That convertible door is really cool. Yeah.
like really, really cool,
Yeah.
guys. I mean, seriously.
Can I put you in there without the door extended?
Yeah.
So when you're in here and you close this door,
Yeah.
it's a little bit tight, right?
Oh yeah. Oh my God. I don't even have space for my legs.
Exactly. So now, watch this.
Oh, yeah. This is another room.
Isn't that cool how that works?
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that's genius design.
There you go.
Innovative. And that's what we're looking for. So
Yep.
2026, that's great.
Yes, sir.
FX is amazing. Thank you so much for the tour.
Well, thank you for taking the time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. Which one is your favorite? The FX rear lounge or the twin bed layout? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos from the 2025 Hershey RV Show. See you on the road.